Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic for 2025, Braun vs. Nood. If you're shopping for a hair removal device, you're probably overwhelmed by choices. Which one actually delivers? Let's break it down step by step so you can make the best decision for your needs. First up, Braun. Known for its reliable electric shavers and epilators, Braun offers advanced features like multiple speed settings, ergonomic designs, and long-lasting batteries. In my tests, the Braun Silk Expert Pro stood out for its precision on various skin types, making it ideal for sensitive areas. However, it's a bit pricier, starting at around $200, and some users mention it can be a tad noisy during use. If you value durability and brand trust, Braun might be your go-to. Now, let's talk Nood. This newer player in the market focuses on innovative, user-friendly devices like their laser hair removal tools. Nood excels in being compact, affordable, often under $150, and super easy to use at home. I loved how painless and quick the sessions were, plus it comes with app integration for tracking progress. On the downside, it might not be as effective for coarser hair, and the battery life isn't as impressive as Braun's. Still, for budget-conscious folks or beginners, Nood is a fantastic option. So, how do you choose? It really boils down to your priorities. If you're after high performance and don't mind spending more, go with Braun. It's built to last and handles diverse needs. But if you're looking for something affordable and straightforward, Nood takes the win. Consider factors like your hair type, skin sensitivity, and budget. In 2025, both have updates that make them even better, so check the latest models. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and drop a comment on which one you're picking. See you next time.